Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a diamond shape using double half hitches. And I'm using large cord just because it makes it easier to demonstrate how to do it. But you can use any size cord you want. So I'm going to lay this to the side. I've got my ring here and I already have 5 cords cut. I'm using an odd number of cords so that I have a center to work from. And I'm going to connect it with a lark's head. So I'm going to put it under there, pull it through the loop, and do that till I have all 5 cords connected to the ring. So just slide it on there, put the cord under the ring and pull the tail up through, and it always makes it easier to work if I pin it, use pins to secure the piece. So I'm gonna, there we go. And now I'm going to find the center. And the center is going to be my 2 anchor cords. And I'm going to hold those down with pin as well. So I'm going to take and lay my anchor cord over my working cords, and I'm going to take the cord next to the anchor cord, bring it up over the anchor, and slide up as close as I can to the ring. And I'm going to take the same cord under and through and slide it up there. So I'm going to hold my anchor cord at a diagonal. That'll help shape the diamond. And slide it up close to the first double half hitch, under, over, and through. And I continue doing that. And as you can see, it's starting to create that angle. And I'm going to go now to the other center cord. Again, my anchor cord is over my working cord. I'm going up over and through the loop and slide it up as close as possible to the ring, and using the same cord, create the other half of that half hitch, and under, over, and through the loop. And again, holding my anchor cord at an angle. Came to the end, and I'm going to secure my anchor cords with pins. And now the anchor cords are going to remain the anchor cords, and I'm going to use the same working cords. But I'm working my anchor cord over my working cords, slide it up, and using the same cord, and take the next working cord under, over, and through, and sliding it up there, and Now I'm going to go to the other side. Again, there's my anchor cord. I'm putting it over my working cords. So I'm going over my working cords. I'm taking the first cord next to it and making my double half hitch, sliding them up as tight as possible so I have a nice neat diamond shape. Secure that cord. So one of my anchor cords is going to be the working cord and one is going to be the anchor. And I'm going to do another double half hitch to close up that diamond. And there we have it. We have our diamond shape created out of double half hitches.